Okay, this might be a little bit too close. We might not be able to, oh, I guess we're able to see it okay. Again, we don't have any sunlight that's shining directly at us. We have a very overcast day today. So a lot of the cloud cover. So this adult is chowing down. Okay, planes, trains, and automobiles, that's how it goes around here. Oh, and that. Oh, and there's a bird down below it. Do you see it? Hopped up there. So it's sitting below the Osprey on that big trunk there. I can't quite see what kind of bird that is. Oh, there's a couple of them up there. Oh yeah. So there's two birds up there. Well, isn't that interesting? Well, those birds don't seem to mind that the osprey is there. Looks like they're working on other things on that wood there. Probably getting bugs. Video. But how interesting. I guess I've never seen other little birds around the osprey when they were eating before. I didn't know that they get a lot of bugs by their talons because of the fish. So I've got pictures of flies and bees flying right up to and near their talons. And those little birds are just kind of flitting right around there. So one of the ways that we can tell if this is the female or the male is that the female has what we call a chocolate necklace. So very distinct chocolate or darker brown feathers on their throat or their chest area, their upper chest area. And again, I'm not quite seeing if this is our female or not. But my guess is that it probably is. But I don't know for sure. Okay, we're back on our adult here eating the fish. And I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get back on the nest. And if this one is going to finish up here pretty soon, then we'll see it fly back into the nest. And maybe we'll get a glimpse of the little one when it flies back in. So I am going to go ahead and call this video good. And we will get set up on the nest here to see what happens in just a minute. Okay, have a great day.